Okay, it's Monday, July 17th, just following up on Tesla. You can see here it's moving higher. This is just the 1 minute chart for the moment. I bought calls here near the purple line. If you look at the 15-minute chart, that's where I was buying it. I shot a video. I bought it here on this 2 down, 2 up, anticipating it working higher towards possibly the highs of the day, but at least up to the top of this range. I kind of put a little rectangle in here on this fair value gap that you can see here between the low of that bar, the high of that bar. There is a little gap. So this is kind of a first target on that push up. So I decided to just scale out of that trade. I bought the 280 calls at 1460. Just exited some at 1560, a point higher. They're up to 1580 right now and heading up. So now at no risk, I can kind of see if Tesla works up towards the highs of the day, which is up here, close to 292, at least a psychological 290 area. We just got to see how it kind of treats this gap area here. This could be a pause area, but if it's just something orderly, then hopefully we make another push up. Again, in the big picture, I like the way I discussed how when it took out the highs of this, on Friday of these highs and didn't really fail, then we're starting up again towards some higher time frame targets. It's easy to see here on the daily chart that we're heading, up to the 300 area type of thing, given that we took out these highs and didn't fail. So we're kind of moving towards some of these next targets. But anyway, that's the continuity. I like the fact that on that opening price action here, after the gap up, there was an inside bar, which kind of, once it headed down, it took out some liquidity on the downside. And then I saw the 2 up, 2 down, 2 down, 2 up kind of buy, reversal green bar here. So it's heading higher, looking nice. We'll just see if it kind of reaches the high of the day. It's at no risk right now. And, good overall stock to be looking for long trades, and especially when they have a lot of momentum the upside, you kind of look for liquidity to be taken out on the downside and some kind of structure on the 15-minute chart to try to then get long. So in this case it worked out. We'll see if it gets to the high of the day at no risk.